if you're experiencing an installation loop with Cyberpunk 2077, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get back to playing the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. If your hardware is insufficient, it may cause installation issues. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Reboot your computer to refresh the system and try the installation again. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Your antivirus software might be interfering with the installation process. Temporarily disable it and attempt to install the game again. Remember to re-enable it afterward. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as administrator. This can provide the necessary permissions for the installation process to complete successfully. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not work, uninstall Cyberpunk 2077 completely and then download and install it again. This can help clear any corrupted files that may be causing the loop. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy Cyberpunk 2077 without further issues. Good luck.